copy back when he owned it.
Do what?
He was making a copy of the title, but was keeping the copy just so he could see when he bought it. He's been his antenna holder for the past 10 years.
Nice. It's got a 2.9 in it. The one I hated. Didn't want it to have.
Right, you want to do an intro?
No, I just want to look at it first. Oh,
Okay, yeah.
hey, what's up, guys? Man, nice day out today. The sun is right in my eyes. It's kind of cold out, but I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I'm standing here in front of this gorgeous piece of machinery. And man, just look at it.
It's got a Cummins in there. I don't know how much it's been turned up or anything.
Which one is
We had it turned down.
It's a small cam, right?
I can't really tell you. I know it used to blow flames out the stack when I went up to knock it.
Nice.
We had it turned down.
You tell which one it is?
I think. Wiring is going to be all ate up.
What motor did you say you was wanting?
KTA. I was hoping it was a KTA. It's too old to be a KTA though, being a 72.
71. I believe.
71, yeah.
I don't know where the hydraulic jack still works tonight.
Yeah.
It used to. You taking a picture of all my junk in there?
I'm trying to get that out of it for you.
The rat and the rat junk. That chicken pen doesn't help it none.
Yeah.
You know, sir, you know, these things used to have a little stand right here if you had the controls with your winch while standing right here on this platform.
There's a key in it.
Yep.
Okay. I was worried about that.
Mm-hmm.
Over in Cartersville. He died. So I actually bought it from his wife. And when I took off to Knoxville, it had a car tag on the back. That's the way I bought it from man's wife over in Cartersville.
Mm-hmm.
Is this? That's it. Is this the one that? Ain't this the one that you had the light? Shut the back lights off on it.
You can cut all your. It had a button. I think it's still in there. Cut all your marker lights off, and when we was going to Knoxville,
Go through this
hit
scale
that
house.
button.
Yeah.
No, don't go through.
No, don't
Cut it off and.
Go right on by. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I assume from the shifter that it's a 9-speed.
Yep. 9 or 10. I don't.
Yeah, you know, they call it 10 and 9 and they call it 9 and 10 sometimes, so I'm not really sure about looking. It's got Rayco suspension on it. I'm familiar with that.
I will tell you one thing. You hook to something, if you can get it set still, you're gonna move it or break something.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you can see them tires is almost brand new.
Yeah.
I parked it.
Yep.
How long has it been since you started it?
Probably 12 years.
How long has it been sitting right here, you think?
Probably about 12 years.
Yeah, that long ago? Oh, you haven't started it since you parked it? Okay.
No, I mean, it was drove down here. It wasn't. I took it off of rotation
Yeah.
for 2 reasons. Insurance, and plus, you're just getting all these newer vehicles with plastic bumpers or
Then you can't pick them up with it, right?
flimsy bumpers. You had to get them from the back.
2010.
2010, last time I tagged it.
Yep. Nice.
A little longer than that, though.
Yep.
Now, I might have bought a tag for it after that.
And just never
Never
put it on. Yeah.
I got a Corvette that I hadn't put a tag on, and I bought it.
I know you didn't get that thing out from that car up here. That's the one you talking about?
Yep.
Get you a car for something there, put that thing under.
Well, how about that? My black truck, my red truck.
Yeah. I've seen them all up here.
Yeah. That canister for the air breather, got a bullet hole in it. I
Yeah,
think.
nice. Nice.
There's a bullet hole right there.
Yeah, there's 2 of them right there.
Right there and right there.
Yeah.
Adds character. Yep.
When I bought it, it was green and white and had a picture of a big fat cat on there.
Oh, nice.
That's why it's called FatCat.
Nice. Yeah, it was when Chuck told me that, Jessica's like, well, maybe it's got a cat motor in there. I said, man, I hope not. The 70s versions of cat motors weren't that good. And I thought, well, what is that, a 1693? That would have been about that old. Those were pretty good motors, I guess. But I guessed it to be a mighty 290 under the hood. And I guess it still could be. I don't know the older Cummins by looking at it. This looks like a small cam. I've got a 69 white with a small cam 350. This looks like it could be its twin.
Well, I got a 72 white regular setting up in. And I thought it was a Hawks. I towed loaded tractor trailers with it. And that's that's what you call a medium duty.
Yeah. It's a lot. But I mean, I get it. But it's going to be this will be the most expensive truck we bought. Even more than yours.
Is it B11? We need to move.
Huh?
B11 because of the.
Yeah. And I mean, I can't not buy those because it's worthless without them.